MCP as a standard is one of the better things that's happened in the world of AI, because a standard needed to exist, and absent a standard, there was a set of things that just weren't possible. Now, we can argue whether it's the best possible manifestation of a standard or not. Does it do too much? Does it do too little? I get that, but it's just simple enough to both be useful and understandable and adoptable by mere mortals, right? It's not overly complicated. A reasonable engineer can stand up an MCP server relatively easily. The thing that has me excited about it is so I'm a big believer in multi-agent systems. And so this going back to our this idea of an atomic agent. So imagine the MCP server, obviously it calls tools, but the way I think about it, so I'm working on my current passion project is agent.ai. And we'll talk more about I think we should, because I think it's interesting, not to promote the project at all, but there's some interesting ideas in there. One of which is around, we're going to need a mechanism for, if agents are going to collaborate and be able to delegate, there's going to need to be some form of discovery, and we're going to need some standard way. It's okay, well, I just need to know what this thing over here is capable of. We're going to need a registry, which Anthropic's working on. I'm sure others will and have been doing directories of and there's going to be a standard around that too. So how do you build out a directory of MCP servers in a standard way?